back on my channel Kigaa. Today I'm going to be doing a product review. So the product that I'm talking about today is Badescu's facial spray with rose water and herbs, and also be showing you what's the best way to utilize this. So guys, this facial spray, I was checking, it does have some raving reviews online. What it does, it actually just adds like a instant, dewy sheen or a glow to your skin. So it's like a mist, you can see the texture is very, very watery, comes in a nozzle packaging like this. So you just spray it, and it's supposed to just like add that sheen. And yeah, I must say the fragrance is just mesmerizing. I think that's because of the presence of rose flowers in it, but I find it very, very sweet. So I think people who are a big fan of aromatherapy, people who like floral scents and sweet kind of scents in their beauty products, they're going to love this fragrance. I totally love the peachish hue they have given to this spray. I think that's again because of the presence of rose water. Guys, it's also supposed to have lots of herbs, especially it has aloe, which is a miraculous ingredient for the skin. It is anti-aging, a little bit of microbial properties as well, fights acne, blemishes, and it's supposed to just enhance the skin texture, overall skin health, so to say. So this is something definitely works, penetrates and works towards the inner health of the skin. But as I said, the main purpose is to just give you that instant glow, that instant refreshing kind of sheen. So on the go kind of a handy kind of a product for people who like to keep it simple and who like products who are just like pick up and go kind of things, which can just work instantly within few seconds and do something nice to their skin. So overall, because of the presence of so many herbs in it, it has some revitalizing kind of impact on the skin. So it does rejuvenates. That's why I think you feel that instant glow. It has thyme extracts as well, which is again a powerful antioxidant for rejuvenating, replenishing the skin texture. So guys, how do you use it? Actually, there are various ways different people like to use it, because as I said, it's just like a facial mist. Some people might take it as a toner. My favorite way to use it is when I've just taken a bath and my skin is still moist and more receptive to any beauty product to penetrate. So because this has nice herbs, so I like my products to penetrate well. So after taking the shower, while my skin is still kind of damp and more receptive, so what I do is just nicely spray it, and I just like to leave it as it is. Some people might want to like massage it a little bit. Go ahead and feel free to do that, but for me, particular mists, I wouldn't do that. Another way I like to use it at times is not immediately after shower, but once I've gotten ready, I have my makeup on and everything. So in the end, I just like spray it like a quickie, and I feel somehow on that particular day my makeup stays. So I also use it as a makeup spray, something which extends the life of my makeup all day long. So guys, overall a multifaceted product, just like very convenient as well to use on daily basis or whenever you want to use as per your own frequency and need. It's more like just like pick me up and go kind of product, and it just suits everyone's need. As I said, some people might want to use it to add that instant sheen or just feel good about the aroma of rose flower and luxurious scent that is this product has. Some people might also use it as a moisturizer because it does add hydration as well. Some people might just use it as a setting spray onto their makeup to increase the longevity of the makeup, the shelf life of the makeup. So I think overall just a nice product for people who like to use exotic ingredients, natural products, who are into clean beauty and more like simple beauty regime. Right, they are going to love this product. Overall, a really mild, gentle, non-irritating kind of a classy product, suitable for all skin types, but ideal for really dry environments or very, very dry skin types. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.